So guys, once you're on a web browser, for the first step, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right. Now, you're going to click on history. Now, you're going to click on history again. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on delete browsing data. And then once you're on this, you're going to set the time range to all time. And you're going to select cookies and cache. You can untick everything else. However, you're going to select cookies and cache and then click on delete data. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in the view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then once you're on this, make sure that you have Obtainer IP address automatically selected. And now under it, you're going to select use the following DNS server address. You're going to make the first line 8888. And you're going to make the second line 8844. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now, you need to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.